Hello students, I am Raju. Welcome to my channel मैथ्स फ्री में। आज हम क्लास 8 के लिए मेडियंस एंड अल्टीट्यूड ऑफ द ट्रायंगल के बारे में बताएंगे। व्हाट इज मेडियंस, व्हाट इज अल्टीट्यूड। इसके पहले वाले वीडियोज में, प्रीवियस वीडियो में हमने ट्रायंगल, टाइप्स ऑफ ट्रायंगल, एक्सटीरियर एंगल ऑफ ट्रायंगल, एंगल सम प्रॉपर्टीज, एक्सटीरियर एंगल सम प्रॉपर्टीज, ये सब के बारे में डिस्कस कर चुका हूँ, जिसे आप प्रीवियस वीडियो से देख सकते हैं मैथ्स फ्री चैनल में। आज हम मेडियंस एंड अल्टीट्यूड ऑफ द ट्रायंगल के बारे में बताएंगे। व्हाट इज मेडियंस? A line segment joining from vertex to the midpoint of opposite side of the triangle is called medians of the triangle. Such as in triangle ABC, if D, E and F are midpoint of BC, AC and AB. After joining from vertex to midpoint of opposite side, we get three medians. So AD, BE and CF are medians of the triangle. Clear? All three medians always passing through a common point. So we say all three medians are concurrent line. That is the term concurrent line. If three or more than three lines passing through a common point, then those lines which are passing through a common point are called concurrent line. At that point, common point is called point of concurrency. Here, all three medians BE, AD and CF are passing through a point O. Passing through a point O. So, all three medians BE, AD and CF are concurrent line. There are three medians in a triangle. All three medians are concurrent line. So, it is passing through a common point O. One more thing for medians. Point of concurrency of the median of a median of the triangle is called centroid. Point of concurrency of the median of a triangle is called centroid of the triangle. ये concurrent point centroid कहा जाता है. One more thing, centroid divide the medians in 2:1. 2:1. Centroid divide each medians in 2:1. 2:1. 2:1. And centroid always lies on interior part of the triangle. In equitangle triangle, in right angle triangle, in obtuse angle triangle. All three conditions, centroid lies on interior part of the triangle. Now other thing, altitude. What is altitude? Altitude, a perpendicular line from vertex to opposite side. is called altitude of the triangle. Altitude. What is altitude? A perpendicular line from vertex to the opposite side. Opposite side is called altitude. Altitude of the triangle. Here in triangle ABC, मान लिया ये ट्रायंगल ABC है. From vertex A, we draw perpendicular to opposite side AD. AD is the altitude. Same thing as a medians, there are three altitudes in a triangle. Here altitude second, third altitude D, E, F. In triangle ABC, AD perpendicular to BC, B perpendicular to AC, and CF perpendicular to AB. Therefore, AD, BE, and CF are three altitudes of the triangle. Same as median, all three altitudes are concurrent line passing through a common point. That common point is called orthocenter of the triangle. Orthocenter of the triangle. Not necessary orthocenter lies on interior part of the triangle. कोई जरूरी नहीं है कि ऑर्थोसेंटर सभी ट्रायंगल का इंटीरियर पार्ट में होगा. In right angle triangle, we observe in right angle triangle हम देखते हैं कि राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल में AB perpendicular to BC and BC perpendicular to AB. So point of intersection of two altitude are B, and third altitude BD passing through B point. So B is the orthocenter. Orthocenter. So we say in right angle triangle, orthocenter lies on right angle, vertex of right angle. In obtuse angle triangle, we observe in obtuse angle triangle. ये obtuse angle है. हम देखते हैं ABC. From A, draw a perpendicular line from A to vertex BC. After producing BC, then this is altitude. AD is the altitude. Same as from vertex C, draw a perpendicular line to the side AB. We produce and draw perpendicular line. And from vertex B, draw perpendicular line to AC. All three AD BE and CF. All three altitude are also a concurrent line. That point is called orthocenter. Orthocenter. It is lies on exterior part of the triangle. So we say in equitangle orthocenter lies on interior part. Interior part. In a right angle, orthocenter lies on vertex of the right angle. On the right angle. And in obtuse angle, orthocenter lies on exterior part of the triangle. That's all.